Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. In this video today, I will review the all-in-one multimedia CarPlay AI Box adapter from the famous Ottocast brand. And the model is called Play2VIDEO Pro. Ottocast is one of the top brands in the car gadget industry, and I have tested most of their previous models on my channel. And from personal experience, I can tell you that this is a very good and a very reliable brand. This new Play2VIDEO Pro model is a mid-range model that runs on Android 12 operating system. It has 10 main apps or features that will enhance your driving experience. It's got apps like YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube Music, the IPTV app, wireless iPhone CarPlay and the wireless Android Auto, Bluetooth calling, Bluetooth music, and the Media Playback from a USB flash drive. Just keep in mind that this is a closed Android system, which means that you cannot install any more apps other than these 10 pre-installed apps. Now let's first do a quick unboxing to check out the contents in the box. Alright, so this is the main Ottocast adapter, and we'll come back to this in a while. Let's check out the other contents in the box. So we get this user manual. It's a standard user manual with all the details on how to set this up in your car. And then we also get the cables in this box. Let's open it. Alright, so we get these cables. You get actually two cables. This is a Type C to Type A cable, this one, and this is a Type C to C. So depending on the USB connection in your car, you would need just one of these cables. So like my car has a Type C port, so I would need just this cable. So the one end connects with the Type C this way, and the other end then connects with the USB port in my car. So very simple. So you get two cables for both Type C as well as Type A, but you just need to use one in your car. Alright, so coming back to this adapter, this is a standard adapter. You know, the previous Play2VIDEO normal model was also in this design. It's you know, all plastic adapter. It's very lightweight, it's very compact, small. You've got the name of the brand Ottocast on top, and then in terms of the connections, this is Type C for power. And then on the other side, you also get the USB flash drive connection, and this is where you can actually connect an external storage device with you know, videos, audios, or any media file that you can actually play in your car. And then on the sides, you've got this spacing to make sure that the device inside or the chip inside doesn't heat up. So it's a standard design. You'll find a lot of the devices in the market in similar design. Again, it's all plastic, very lightweight and compact. Now let me take this out to my car. I'll connect it, and then we start testing the performance of this new Play2VIDEO Pro multimedia adapter. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I'm in my car. I've got this Ottocast Play2VIDEO Pro device ready with me. Now what I'll do is I'll connect this with the USB cable, USB port in my car, but at the same time I will also time how long does it take to start and get to the main home page or the landing page. So I've got my stopwatch ready here as well. So now let me connect this with the USB plug. Let's start the timer. Alright, so it takes about 37 seconds for this device to start and get to the main home page or the landing page of the Android system that looks like this. Alright friends, so this is the main homepage or the landing page of the Android operating system on this device. Now looks very nice. It's a very nice user interface. It's very clean, it's not cluttered. So let me give you a quick tour of the layout here. So this is the split screen option. Then you've got the back button. This button gives you the full app view, so all the applications that are available on this device. If you click this, it brings you back to the home page. Now on the main screen, you've got media playing, you've got the applications, you've got Spotify, Netflix, YouTube Music, IPTV app, you've got Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, and then you also have the online software update option. You can also add one more favorite, or you can change them. Right at the bottom, you've got Bluetooth calling, Bluetooth music, you've got the video. If you connect a USB flash drive, you can play videos through the file folder. You have the clear process option here, and then you've got the settings. Now within settings, you get to see all the standard Android settings like connectivity, personalization, display, apps, storage, all those standard kind of settings that you have on these kind of Android devices. Now back to the home page. Now the last one is this button that takes you back to the main home page or the original system of your car. Alright, so it's a very simple, very clean user interface. Now because this is a closed Android system, you cannot install any other applications than the ones that are already installed on this device. So in order to test the performance of this new Play2Video Pro device, I will start testing some of these applications, the functions and the features of this device. I won't be testing Spotify, Netflix, YouTube Music on this device. I don't have the login details, but I'll try to test all the other applications or the functions on this device. Now, because all these applications require internet connectivity, the first thing that we will do is actually connect this device with my mobile's hotspot. So what we need to do is go to the settings, and within settings, go to network and internet, and then within internet, we should be able to see my mobile's hotspot, which is this, and I've already connected this. So when you're connecting it for the first time, you'll get to see your signal name. You just connect to that using the password, and it takes very quick to connect. And the good thing is that once it's connected, every time you come back to your car, as long as the mobile hotspot function on your mobile is on, the device will automatically reconnect to internet. You don't have to do this process every time again. So now, as you can see on top right, internet is connected. So the first application I would like to test is YouTube. There you go. So quite quick to connect. So let's go and pick up some of the trailers. And all I'm trying to see is whether the YouTube app is working. And as you can see, it's working quite nicely. It's very quick to connect. And, as you move down, the thumbnails get uploaded quite quickly. So let's pick one of these trailers.
That's me, Colt Sievers. This is my hero.
Alright, so the YouTube app is working quite nicely. No lag or no buffering of any sort. So quite happy with that.
What's a nice kind?
Alright, so now I'll connect this USB flash drive with the device to see if we can actually play some videos through the USB flash drive option. Alright, so now what we need to do is actually go to let's say the apps and go to the files, and then within the file section we should be able to see my USB flash drive, which is this one. And I've got a different kind of files available, but I just want to see whether we can play a 4K 60 FPS file, because if we can play that, then we can play all the different types of files that I have. So let's play one of these 4K 60 FPS. Alright, very nice. So this device is capable of playing 4K video files at 60 FPS, which is one of the best, and I don't recommend you actually playing these kind of heavy video files on a small screen. The best would be playing a 1080p full HD version. Even if you want to do that at 60 FPS, that would be fine. 4K files is just basically overloading this device. In a small screen like this, full HD would be good enough. There you go. This is full HD. You can see the clarity is more or less the same. Alright, so you also have these two options. These are the Bluetooth connectivity options. You can connect your mobile's Bluetooth to this device. You can simply go here and pair your device or pair your mobile, and you can make calls through this device. And you can also do the same with Bluetooth music. On the right side you'll see calling and music. It's a very simple process. You can do this with the Bluetooth connectivity here, or you can actually connect it with either the CarPlay system or the Android Auto system, and you'll get the same functions there as well, like playing your mobile music or making calls through your mobile. And I'll show you how to do that later on when we test the wireless CarPlay. Alright, so now let's test this IPTV app. Now just keep one thing in mind, that this is just the app that is available on this device. You will need to log into your own IPTV account and able to watch any of the live TV or the movies or the TV series on this screen. Alright, so I've already uploaded my test account. So this is a live TV test account. We can just go to one of the channels to see if IPTV is working. And as I said earlier, this package doesn't come with the box. You'll have to get this separately. But all I wanted to see was whether IPTV channels are working. It doesn't take a lot of time when you change or switch channels. But once the channel is on, it doesn't stop, doesn't lag, doesn't buffer. As you can see, it plays quite nicely and very smoothly. And at least in my package, most of the channels are HD. So the quality that you get on the screen is just simply so nice. So in order to connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay, what we need to do is we click on this CarPlay icon. It takes us to this page, and what we need to do is on the iPhone, we just need to go on the Bluetooth section and look for this device, Play2VIDEO Pro. We click on this, pair the device, allow it to sync contacts and favorites, and that's it. So it takes a few seconds for the connection, and it takes you to the home page of Apple CarPlay that looks like this. Now just keep in mind, this is a one-time setup. You just need to do this connection once, and then every time you come to your car, as long as the Bluetooth on your iPhone is on, the device will automatically detect the connection and then take you to the Apple CarPlay homepage that looks like this. Now this is a standard Apple CarPlay interface, so I won't be actually explaining the function, the different functions and features of Apple CarPlay in this video. All I wanted to see was whether we can actually connect to the wireless CarPlay system on this new Play2VIDEO Pro device. So this is the main home page. You've got some of the shortcut icons like Map, Spotify, Calling. This is where you can actually see all the different applications that are available and compatible to Apple CarPlay system. Now you can also use this Apple CarPlay to make calls or to listen to your mobile music. You can obviously use the navigation in this. It's connected to your mobile, so you can have all your saved locations available, and then you've got things like messaging and calendar and all those sort of things that are available on the Apple CarPlay. So Apple CarPlay, very quick to connect. It's quite nice and responsive. You have all the applications available as well. So now let's exit and try to connect to wireless Android Auto. So we click on this Android Auto icon. It brings us to this main connection page, and what we need to do is I've got my Android mobile here. We just need to go to the Bluetooth section and add a new device, and you will be able to see this new device as Play2VIDEO Pro. This one, we click on it and we pair the device. That's it, it's connected. It's a very quick process for Android Auto, and now in a few seconds we should be able to see the Android Auto main page on the screen like this. So again, it's very quick to connect. It's a one-time setup process. You just need to connect it once, and then every time you come in the car, it will stay connected. And this is the standard Android Auto user interface. Again, I will not explain the functions and features of this Android Auto user interface. It's the standard functions. All I wanted to test in this video was to see if this device can connect to the wireless Android Auto, and it can actually connect, and it's a very quick connection. So this is a standard user interface. You've got the shortcut icons just like Apple CarPlay. Now the good thing with Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay is that you can use the voice input. So you can use Siri on iPhone and the voice command on the Android system in order to operate. So you don't actually have to click on the screen or touch the screen all the time. You can just use the voice commands, and you've got this mic button here as well. So if you click on this, basically it takes you to this page. This is where you have all the applications that are available on Android Auto. Now you can change the look and feel, the wallpaper and the application icons, but this is a standard user interface. So Android Auto is also nice. It's very quick to connect. It doesn't take a lot of time. The screen is also nice and responsive. Navigation works quite nicely. So again, just like Apple CarPlay, the Android Auto system is also working quite nicely, and we can simply go back to the system of this. This is the Android system. So that's it, guys. This was a very quick review of this new Ottocast Play2Video Pro CarPlay device. It's quite nice. We've tested the different functions and features, and everything worked quite nicely. You know, if you don't want to spend a lot of money getting a full-fledged open Android system like the Ottocast P3, you can you know, use this mid-range, a much cheaper device if you just want you know, one of these 10 main applications. So guys, if you like it, if you're interested, if you want to buy this, simply go to the link in the description of the video. It will take you directly to the official store where you can buy this very nice Ottocast Play2Video Pro CarPlay AI Box. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.